Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming tap size and required hole diameter. This prevents stripped threads. Once done, clamp the work tightly and center punch the location so the drill stays true. Drill the pilot hole to the recommended depth, then apply cutting fluid to reduce heat and friction. Make sure to position the tap square to the hole. Start the first 1 to 3 turns by hand so threads engage cleanly, which reduces risk of cross-threading as you move into continuous cutting. You cut the thread by turning the tap clockwise with steady, controlled force. After every 2 to 3 full turns, reverse about 1 turn to break and clear chips. This forward and back motion prevents clogging and reduces torque that can snap the tap. Make sure you keep the tap perpendicular to the workpiece. Slight drift ruins thread geometry. Add cutting fluid regularly to flush swarf and lower cutting temperatures. If the tap starts to feel tight, back it out, clear chips. Then resume with measured pressure and rhythm. You finish by reversing the tap fully and removing it carefully to avoid dragging chips back into the hole. Clean the cavity with a brush or compressed air, then deburr the entry so bolts seat properly. Make sure to inspect the threads visually and test fit a fastener or use a gauge. This confirms correct engagement and depth. If the threads are rough or the tap binds, back out immediately, clear chips, apply more lubricant, and try again. Replace the tap if you see chipped or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.